ඔන්න අද අපි day 3 China in day 3 වලට යනවා. අද බස් එකට නගින්න යන්නේ. අපි යනවා අද Great Wall China Great Wall බලන්න ටීනාගේ බස් එකට. ඔන්න මම ටීනාගේ බස් එකත් වීඩියෝ කරා. ටීනාගේ බස් එකෙන් තමයි අද අපි යන්නේ Great Wall බලන්න.
Everyone on the bus was excited and eagerly waiting to see the Great Wall. But then our wonderful tour guide Tina stood up with a smile and announced, "Before we get to the Great Wall, we have a special stop at a jade factory." The ladies on the bus were excited. The husbands thought, "Great, a quick 15-minute stop and we'll be back on the road." Oh, how wrong we were. For more than 5,000 years, jade has been one of China's most treasured gemstones. It symbolizes wisdom, prosperity, good fortune, and protection. In ancient China, emperors valued jade so highly that it was often considered more precious than gold. At the factory, we learn how raw jade stones are carefully selected, cut, carved, polished, and transformed into beautiful jewellery and artwork by highly skilled craftsmen. The level of detail and craftsmanship was truly amazing. But the real entertainment began when we entered the showroom. Within seconds, all the ladies in our group transformed into professional jewellery experts. Suddenly, everyone knew exactly which necklace suited which outfit, which bracelet matched which handbag, and which ring was the perfect investment.
Ladies and gentlemen, everyone here, right? First I want to say ni hao.
Ni hao, ni hao.
Chinese. I want to say welcome to Beijing and to visit our Jade Gallery. Later on, you can follow me. I'm going to show you around here some information about Jade. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. You can call me later. By the way, when I'm protecting the wall, actually for the picture, just show the medals. The medals are painted on the games in 2008. We just put the jade on the medals. You heard about that? Look, that is the front side. That is a regular design. Look, the back side. The back side are elevated jade. Look, the middle one. The middle one, the gold medals. The gold medals are elevated white jade. The silver medals are elevated green color. And the bronze medals are elevated dark green jade. We put the Chinese culture. I think we both in this piece. So, the rest of
China has a jade-making history that dates back more than 5,000 years. For centuries, jade has been regarded as one of the most precious stones in Chinese culture, symbolizing prosperity, wisdom, harmony, and good fortune. The jade manufacturing process begins with carefully selecting high-quality jade stones from mines. Skilled craftsmen then cut, carve, shape, and polish the stone using specialized tools and techniques that have been passed down through generations. Chinese jade artisans are renowned worldwide for their exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail. Each piece can take days, weeks, or even months to complete, depending on its complexity and design. Today, China's jade jewelry industry combines ancient traditions with modern technology to create beautiful necklaces, bracelets, pendants, rings, and decorative artworks that are admired by people around the world. As we walked through the factory, it was fascinating to see how a simple piece of rough stone could be transformed into a stunning work of art and a treasured piece of jewelry.
These are the different kind of jade raw materials. Also, it's many carvings on the counter. You know what? China, it got so many kind of jade. Next time I'm going to show you one by one a few famous jade in China. You know, when you're talking about jade, people normally think jade is green color, right? It actually has many colors, but the green color is more popular, more traditional. First, you come look this piece of triangle. This is the traditional one. It's our national jade. It's more traditional one. We call it Xiuyan jade from Liaoning province. A piece of jade is cut from nature. So when they found a piece of raw material, it's cut from nature. So must be have the crack and the natural veins inside. For the master, it just takes the best part off to make something. You can look this piece triangle. This has got a very detailed carving scale. You can see the very detailed work. Without any black things, without any crack inside. You can see the very detailed work, and this is the masterpiece. Especially, you can take a look. There is the small ball in the triangle's mouth. Look. It's not put inside, it's carved inside. This part is the most difficult part to carve. If carve the ball is too big, cannot move. If too small, we come out naturally. And different carving have different meanings. And the triangle is symbolized power. It's for protection and keep the evil away. Yeah. Next, I'm going to show you a special carving scale. You can look this ball here. Look this ball. For this ball, and this is the Chinese traditional carving scale. We call this ball happiness ball. Happy family ball symbolizes a happy family. It has many layers inside, right? You know, every layer inside comes freely, and every layer symbolizes every generation. Every layer symbolizes every generation. Also, you can take a look. There is a dragon, and a phoenix on the surface. Dragon, phoenix. Dragon for power, and phoenix for charm and beauty. So they're a couple, and generation by generation. Especially show the carving scale, and this is cut from one solid piece jade, one piece. And they just carve it from inside to outside, layer by layer. One piece to cut that. This is the Chinese traditional carving scale, one piece. Yeah, one piece to cut that. And this is the whole process. From the first step to the last step, the whole process for this ball here, one piece. We start like this, look. A piece of raw material like this, and then make the round ball like this. Excuse me, sorry, no videos here. Yes. We make the round ball. Dragon ball here, look this one. This is jade also. This is the masterpiece, the dragon ball. It got a very detailed carving scale, Actually, for the bowl is real jade. Yeah. It's cut from nature. Hard to tell. We can put the jade under light though. You know, it's cut from nature. So for the real jade, when you cut the light, you see like this. Look. Like the colorful flower, like the clouds inside, like snowflake inside. The real one. The natural means like that is a real jade. We call jade flower. It's the real one. And but for the fake one, take a look. You may see nothing inside, very clear inside. So remember that if you see nothing, or if you see any smaller air bubbles inside, must be fake. That is a difference. Bangle is a Chinese traditional jewelry. You can wear for everyday piece. Even take shower.
There were bracelets to try, necklaces to compare, pendants to admire, and rings to model. Every mirror in the showroom was occupied. Meanwhile, the husbands quietly gathered in one corner looking like a support group meeting. One husband was checking exchange rates. Another was calculating how many extra clients he needed when he got back to Australia. A few brave men attempted to say, "I think you already have one like that." Unfortunately, those men were never heard from again. The showroom itself was absolutely stunning. Beautiful jade jewelry everywhere you looked. To be fair, even some of the husbands started looking around and saying, "Actually, that's quite nice." The funniest part was that everyone walked into the showroom saying, "We are just looking." And somehow everyone walked out carrying a shopping bag. Mission accomplished for the Jade Factory. Wallets became lighter. Shopping bags became heavier. The ladies became happier. And the husbands became unusually quiet. With our cultural education complete and our credit cards slightly exhausted, it was finally time to continue our journey to the legendary Great Wall of China. And trust me, what happened next was worth every step of the journey.
යන ගමන් ගේට් වල එක පෙන්නගෙන යනවා.
ටෝල් එක දැන් බස් එකේ යන ගමන් ටුට්ටක්
පෙන්නගෙන යනවා. ඔය ට්‍රිප් ඩීල් එක කොහොමද?
Thank you.
ට්‍රිප් ඩීල්.
ඩීල් එක මේගොල්ලෝ.
ඩීල් එක.
අපේ ට්‍රිප්
ඔන්න අපි ගියා ජේඩ් ගැලරියට ගිහිල්ලා දුන්න පොකට් එකට හොඳ ඩීල් එකක්. ඉතින් අපි කියනවා ට්‍රිප් ද ඩීල්ද. අපිට කියන්න බෑ ට්‍රිප් ද ඩීල්ද. කැමතියි මොකද ට්‍රිප් ද ඩීල්ද? Alright. Can you tell me whether you like trip or deal? Huh? Which one do you like, trip or deal? Danny, Janman, which one do you like, trip or deal?